How to cancel a Wayfair order or how to cancel an order on Wayfair. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel a Wayfair order or how you can cancel an order on Wayfair. Well, the process itself is quite simple and easy either ways, so let me guide it through. First, what you want to do is you can open up your Wayfair application. I'll be showing you here on the browser, but the process is similar on the application as well. Now on the screen you can see wayfair.com. You want to simply open up your browser on any of your device, and there you want to head into wayfair.com, wayfair.com. And now once you do so, here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you can see at the top hamburger icon, profile icon, and cart icon. You want to simply tap on cart icon at the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll get these options which says my account, my orders, and list. Simply tap on my orders option, and if you have any orders, you'll find it right here. You want to click on the cancel items or the order link in the order section on the welcome page of here. And once you do so, if you have more than one order that has not yet shipped, you can select the order and then you can cancel it. If it has already been shipped, you won't be able to cancel it. However, if it hasn't been shipped, you'll be able to cancel it from here. So this way you can cancel an Wayfair order. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.